Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? And as long with that, you are also tired of paying brokerage to multiple brokers but not able to finalize one single property yet? Well, you have arrived at the right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online prop tech service. Now, what exactly is a prop tech service? This is the place where we help you do virtual site tours. So you don't actually have to visit physically to 10 different sites to finalize or to shortlist a property. What we will do is that we will tell you everything about the property, the land parcel, the amenities, the towers, the configurations, the price, and also if the sample flat is ready, we'll show that to you as well right over here. And once you have seen it, then you can go ahead with the booking process. Now, let me also tell you that at Property Cloud, we connect you directly with the developers, and thereby we also offer you many spot payment options, booking offers, and lot many other discounts and vouchers as well. Now, if this was not enough, let me also tell you that when we're doing all of this for you, we're also making it sure that it is hassle-free and brokerage-free. You heard it right. It's absolutely zero brokerage for you when you are buying a property with us right here at Property Cloud. So I am Ekta Kapoor and I'm going to take you on the site visit, a virtual site visit of a very beautiful property. Want to know which one? Stay with me. I'm just moving there. Now here I am today at Assets Soho and Sky, which is located in Jakkur. But before I tell you about Soho and Sky, I need to tell you about the Assets journey. Let's take a look at it. This is the Assets journey, wherein they started as a real estate company, moving on to Vrindavan Tech Village, Global Tech Park, Thimphu Tech Park, Courtyard by Marriott, Park Avenue, East Point, Stratos, Lumos, Mark Phase 1, 18 and Oak, 63° East, Tower C, Here and Now, Earth and Essence, 38 and Banyan, Sun and Sanctum, Atmos and Aura, and a lot more. And finally, here we are at Soho and Sky. This is Assets Soho and Sky, and this is pure indulgence. But again, before I take you to the project, there are a couple of things that I need to tell you. Let's take a look at them. The project is a multitude of world-class amenities, 12 plus urban amenities with a 16,000 square feet clubhouse. And also it is going to be 76% water saving efficient. Along with that, there is going to be a 75% open space ratio, and that's going to be 3 acres of parks. So of course, as I said earlier, it's going to be nothing less than a grandeur. And also the connectivity. Now, talking about the connectivity, here the Manyata Embassy Business Park is in close vicinity, hospital in a very close vicinity again. Hospitals and schools do matter, so that's going to be again over here. And also the Jaipur Aerodrome is going to be right in close vicinity. Now let's move towards the project's 3D model over here. It's going to be a total land parcel of 4.5 acres, which will have 3 acres of park and 5 towers in the whole project. These are going to be 13-floored elevated towers, which are going to have premium exclusive 3 and 4 BHK apartments and only 234 units. Now let's take a closer look at the amenities as well. Now the amenities are going to be on ground floor. This is the basketball court, the swimming pool, the kids play area, the skating ring, and the clubhouse is going to be, the 16,000 clubhouse is going to be on ground floor, which will support the gymnasium and other internal activities. And there is also a party lawn, and also the parking is going to be in the basement. Now that you've taken an overview of the project, I'm sure you want to see the apartment from inside. Of course, I have to show it to you because this is a virtual site tour and I need to show you all the possible details of the project. So I'm sure you're waiting and excited to see the sample flat from inside. Let's go and take a look at the premium, serene, beautiful, exquisite apartment. Let's go. Now, this is your foyer area wherein you can have your storage units and your shoe racks as well. Along with that, I'm sure that you noticed that there is also a wall and this foyer in this passage area, which allows in complete privacy to your 2015 square feet 3 BHK apartment. Now, there's one more specialty about the house, that despite being a 3 BHK, it has 3 toilets, which is indeed a thoughtful thing. Now, here I am in the dining area, and this is your living space right over here. Let's take a look at the balcony that is the outer space of this house. The balcony immediately converts into these wooden finished ceramic tiles on the floor and is also covered from the top to protect you from the Bengaluru rains. And here we are coming back into the living space along with your dining area. Now the bedrooms are placed, one is on one side of the house and the others are on the other side of the house. Before showing you the bedrooms, let me first of all show you the kitchen area. Now this window that you can already see is a service window that allows interaction of the people cooking for you and you, because the dining table is over here and it allows easy access as well. Come inside the kitchen, let me show you a little more. This is the kitchen space over here that ends at your vegetable sink and then proceeds into your dry utility area. The dry utility area is very well lit with a very big window and also perfectly ventilated. And now I have to show you the first bedroom of the house that I said is on one part. Now over here also you can see that they've provided a good space so that you can again have some storage units over here, and then we walk into the very first bedroom of the house. As I promised you that there are going to be 3 toilets, so the first attached toilet and wash is right over here. The flooring of the bathroom changes immediately. These are again anti-skid tiles provided and the CP sanitary fittings as well. Now right next to the window, which is a complete glass unit, half of it is fixed and half of it is a sliding door, we have this space over here which is of approximately 2.5 to 3 feet for your wardrobes and storage units. You can also use it as a study table because there is a lot of space outside as well. And now when I'm walking and talking to you, I'm going to take you into the rest of the house right over here. From this open passage, I'm going to call it an open passage because again there is a lot of space that has been provided in the house. So it's not cluttered and it's not clustered here and there. It's actually spread across wide, which makes it actually more spacious. So here, this part is your common area with your common toilet over here. Again, the flooring of the toilet you can notice is a wooden finished ceramic tile and the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat. Now, this is the toilet which is very accessible to this particular room because this does not have an attached toilet to it. Here again, we have a big glass unit. I'm going to call it, not calling it a window because this is actually a glass unit. Half of it is fixed with a toughened glass and half of it is a sliding window that comes with a mosquito net as well. Now, this room too has this space which is again a 2.5 to 3 feet of wardrobe space that is not a part of the bedroom. So what I love about these spaces, is that they make it a point that your room is not cluttered. Like, when you're walking around, you don't stumble into a particular wardrobe or a table. Everything stays in one corner and your room stays spacious. Talking about spacious, did I tell you how spacious is the master bedroom? No? Okay, let me show it to you rather than telling it to you. Here we're going to enter into the bedroom, and one thing that you must notice, every time I enter the bedroom, the flooring from vitrified tiles changes to wooden tiles over here. Now this is your master bedroom that again comes with this lovely window. I honestly love these windows because they are your coffee time windows. They're so well lit and so well ventilated, and along with that again another space, as I told you, it can be used for tables and for wardrobes as well. But this space, I'm going to suggest that you use it for a table because there is an walk-in wardrobe over here which I'm going to show you right now, and this is the spacious walk-in wardrobe right over here so that you can utilize it to your best. And right over here next to it is the attached master toilet and wash. Now here the flooring is different as compared to the rest of the bathrooms. They had a wooden flooring and this one has these anti-skid tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. And each and every door of the house has rubber strips so that the doors maintain a longer life. Oh, did I also tell you that I'm about to tell you that how does the booking process work? Well, it's very simple, but I think you should wait for a second more, and I'm going to tell you the whole detail, not just the booking process, but a lot more, so stay tuned with me. And now that you've seen the project, I'm sure you are wondering how can you go ahead with the booking process and how can you come over here and see the property, and multiple questions. Hang on there, I'm going to answer all your questions. Now, once that you have liked and shortlisted the project, all that you need to do is simply click on the link that's mentioned in the caption right over here. Once you do that, our salesperson will get in touch with you, and then all the properties that you have shortlisted, you can visit them in a day or maybe in 2 days, so that you can escape the Bangalore traffic. And this will all be done with a cab service which is absolutely free of cost. So you will get a free pickup and drop and visit all your properties. And also, this is all brokerage free. This is absolutely zero brokerage, because as I told you, we connect you directly with the developers. So this is hassle free, it's cost free, and it is brokerage free as well. All you need to do is simply quickly click on the link below in the caption, and we're going to help you with all that you need to book your dream house, with spot payment options, booking options, and many other offers and discounts. Do not forget that you also have to subscribe to our channel Property Cloud, so that you can keep seeing such beautiful property in your locality and all across. We're also present not only all over India, but also overseas in various countries like in the USA, in Canada, Singapore, and many other places. So this is Property Cloud for you, helping you buy your dream home hassle-free and brokerage-free. Thank you.